Hi, second graders. We're going to continue to talk about blends. Let's try to make a sound with our mouth. Say sp, sp. How many sounds do you feel? Sp. You're right. It makes two sounds when you say sp. Now try sh, sh. Sh makes one sound with your mouth. SP or sp is a consonant blend. SH is a digraph spelled with one sound. When we read and spell words with consonant blends, each consonant retains its individual sound, even though we blend those sounds together really fast. This week, you're going to work on the PL blend. Try it. Pull, pull. You'll notice that you feel the first sound in your mouth and then maybe you feel the second sound on your lips. Pull. Remember, a consonant blend, even though we say it really fast, when we finger stretch it, it keeps its own sound. Watch me. The word is plug. P-O-U-G. I used 4 fingers because I heard those 4 sounds. When I graph my word plug, I should be using 4 sound boxes. Watch. P-O-U-G. If you look at my sound paper here, P gets its own box and L gets its own box because it's a consonant blend and it retains its own sounds. Then I'll zap it on the line. Let's try another one. How about plan? P-O-A-N. 4 sounds. P-O-A-N. Then I zap it on the line. Plan. Remember, pull is a consonant blend and it remains or retains its 2 sounds. So the letter P should get its own box, the letter L should get its own box. Make sure that you finger stretch each word, graph them on your paper, and then zap them on the line.